Hi, first, this is your part for Heyser Bulgar. We're going to go really, really slow because the majority of this is in third position and fourth position, and you get a little bit of second position in there too. I know your part, it looks really busy with all the fingerings. If it's distracting and you want a clean part, so you just put in what you need, just ask me and I'll get you that part. Key signature, watch out for your B flat, E flat, but there's a lot of accidentals because of the harmonic minor key that we're in. We're in the key of G harmonic minor. So again, we're going to do it really slow. Just going to take the second ending when we get down to that first repeat. And here we go. So we're starting in third and then going to a high 3 for your F sharp. So we're going to go about 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's the first part. So yeah, there's a lot of high stuff, there's a lot of shifting, but you basically have two melodies through the whole piece and it keeps repeating. So once you master that, you're just going to keep playing that throughout the piece. Let's go back to measure 9 for a minute and take a look at that. Separate bows, really slow for a minute. So you're starting in fourth position, so you're 1 on your fourth finger tape. You have a low 2 for your C. So let's just kind of do this note by note. Here's your C, 3, low 4 for E flat, come back down. That was a low one because it's a B flat. Now we're going to second position, a half step lower for your A. Stay there, low 3. Move down a half step to first position, low 4. Okay, so one more time. And then eventually it's going to sound like this. Like that. That's what you get to work towards. Okay, so let's move on to the next section. Here's measure 16. So you see these slides in here. It says slide. You're going from your C sharp to your D. So I have it marked where you're going from a high 3. So you're kind of sliding into fourth position. Stay there for a minute. Then the next measure, come back down to third. And like that, and then that keeps repeating. So I'm going to take the pickups in the second ending. So there's 3 eighth notes leading into measure 16. Again, very slow. You're still in third position from the previous section. Here's your D. 1, 2, 3. Third. Repeat. Third. Again. Sorry. And one more time. So again, yeah, a little tricky, but you get to do it over and over 4 times in a row. Tempo for that, you're going to try to get up to about like that. Okay, so now at 32, moving on to 32, that's just on beat 1 and beat 3, repeating that. So let's start 32, 33, 34, 35, measure 36. The last 2 measures of the line, and we're in first position here. 1, 2, 36, and rest. So there's some slides in there again, from a 2 to 2 for the B natural to C, just a half step slide a couple times. And then, even though I was a little clumsy about it, that 16th pattern is the same thing that we just talked about at measure 9. So it's coming back to repeat in the music. All right, so now the next part at 50 is the same as the beginning. So let's skip ahead. Let's see, 62 is the same as 16, so you know how to do that part. 78 is the same as the beginning. And then now we just kind of have the ending to do, actually. So let's start up at 86, 87, 88. So we'll do the last bunch of triplets here at 88, starting in third position. You're just doing little scales coming down. So here's 88, third position, triplets. Ready, and. So a little bit of fourth position in there again. You're just sliding up a half step and syncopation at the end. Okay, so now for fun, because this piece is only going to be super fun if we can get it up to tempo. Let's go back to the beginning and try to faster tempo. So again, use this video, go back, practice all that stuff slowly, many times through, watch your intonation, and you're ready, come back to this part, and let's try it a little faster. Again, I'm not going to take the repeat, just go right to the second ending. 1, 2, 3. Two, three, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, here's 50. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm so sorry. Let me go back and try that again. I lost it. Here's 50. 2, 3. Oh my gosh. Here's 78. 1, 2, 3. All right, happy practicing.